Hi, I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out. Welcome back to our channel. We're all about tasty food made easy. Today we're gonna make Kebab Shop Garlic Sauce. This recipe is super easy and can be made in a few minutes. So let's get to it. Start by squeezing 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice using a lemon reamer. Then pour in half a cup of sour cream into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Then add half a cup of labneh or some thick Greek yogurt. Use a whisk to mix the sour cream and the labneh. Then add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add 4 cloves of minced garlic and half a teaspoon salt. Then mix all the ingredients really well and transfer them to a serving bowl. And there you have it, your own Kebab Shop Garlic Sauce. What recipes do you use your Kebab Shop Garlic Sauce for? Let us know in the comments. This Kebab Shop Garlic Sauce is a great dip sauce for your chicken wings and an awesome condiment to your doner kebab quiche and your doner kebab plate. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.